Hey guys, Shax here, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Apple Notes on Windows. To begin, open any type of preferred browser and search for iCloud.com. Once the official iCloud website opens up, you will see a clean and simple interface. Look for the Sign In button, click on it, and you will be prompted to enter your Apple ID and password. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button again. Apple will then send a verification code to your mobile device for security purposes. Check your phone for the code, enter it into the dedicated field on the website, and hit the Continue button. Once you are signed in successfully, you will see all the available features displayed on your screen. Here, look for the Notes tile, which is usually represented by a yellow notepad icon. Click on it, and you will be taken to your Notes section where you can start creating new notes. Feel free to type, add images, or even checklists to your notes. The best part is that everything you create here will sync seamlessly with your mobile device, so you can access your notes anytime, anywhere. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.